Hello students, how are you? This lesson is about classroom instructions. When the teacher teaches you in every lesson, the teacher will speak some words and you need to learn them. So let's have a look at the next slide, what the teacher says. Okay, follow me on the next one. Okay, the words that the teacher uses. So the teacher will say tick, tick, underline, underline, match, match. Listen carefully, listen carefully. Circle, circle. Cross, cross. So you can see for tick, the word tick and the symbol tick. Underline, you can see the line here. Match, this is when you match the same things, A with A. And listen carefully when teacher is talking to you. Pay your attention. Circle means the teacher will say to you, okay, circle the mistake, circle the wrong spelling, circle the verbs, okay? And cross when something is not correct and the teacher says, cross the wrong answer. All right, so let's have a look at the next slide, the last one. Okay, the teacher will say to you, write the date. Write the date. She will say, read the words. Read the words. And look at the board. Look at the board. For your level, for the beginner's level, these words are enough. So listen to the teacher when she speaks these words and learn the spelling. Okay, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and please click on the like button. Okay, so speak to you again in the next lesson. Bye bye now.